Alright, here comes some of the big hitters here. Some of your big hitters. So two bikes right here next to you in the near lane are Vincent Hines, Mules, Harley Davidson. Then you got Bad Matt Smith over in that third lane in the red bike. It's been a back and forth war between Vincent Hines and Matt Smith. With Angie having issues, can Matt lay down? Gage Carrera is involved in this. Here we go. Smith versus Hines. It'll be a drag race right here.
Here we go.
Like one of the Vincent Hines got there first.